Question number 11. For these, you're supposed to simplify, which essentially means do whatever it says. Your final answer should have only positive exponents. So there's going to be some heaven and hell issues coming up. Okay, let's start with the first section. We need to raise that to the fourth, that to the fourth, and that to the fourth. In case you're not sure how to do this, let's go ahead to the calculator. If you want to raise a -3 to the fourth power, you can use this little caret symbol over the over top of the division key. So that is positive 81. I will tell you, you need to put it in parentheses. You have to put this -3 on the calculator in parentheses. Second part, x to the second power raised to the fourth power. Because this is power to a power, you multiply. So it's x to the 8th, y to the 12th. Again, it's power to a power, so you multiply. The next one is not power to a power. In this one, you're just going to do like terms. So we'll do 3 times 2, and then we'll put the x's together, and then we'll put the y's together. And I think my answer, 2 times 3 is 6. I've got an x to the first power and an x to the second power. That makes x to the third power. Then I've got a y to the third and a y to the first. That makes y to the fourth. Now these are not power to power. These have 2 bases. One is an x and the other is an x. That's why you just add their exponents. The last problem in number 11 is division. We just do one section at a time. 15 divided by 3 is 5. We have 3 x's divided by 2 x's, which if you forget, just looks like this. You cancel them out, and you end up with 1 x left on top. The y's are a little trickier. The y's have a -2, which means that they should actually be on the bottom. So you should actually end up with y to the 5th power on the bottom, because you had 3 on the bottom and now you have 2 more on the bottom. So this is your answer for C.